Hello children, how are you all? Today we are going to learn chapter number 2, Fractions and Decimals, part 1. Children, today we'll have a quick recap to the introduction to fractions. Children, see the pictures which I'm going to show you all. Here you can see all these 4 pictures, all are showing parts of a whole. Now you see the other section of pictures which I'm going to show. Here also you can see parts of a whole. But what is the difference between these pictures and these pictures? Here children, here the parts of the whole, they are not of equal size. They are not of equal size. But here in these pictures, that is in this picture, and in this picture, the parts of the whole are equal in size. Can you all see this pizza is divided into 7 equal parts, and here again this cake is divided into 7 equal parts, and this roti is divided into 4 equal parts. But here in these pictures, the pieces or the parts of the whole, they are not divided equally. Understood children? Children, now what is a fraction? A fraction is a part of a whole. A fraction is a part of a whole. Also, a fraction represents a part of a collection. A fraction also represents a part of a collection. For example, you can see a pizza over here. This is divided into 12 equal parts. This pizza is divided into 12 equal parts. Let us see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And all these parts are divided into equal parts. They are equal in size and shape. They are equal in size and shape. Understood children? Now we will see some more examples. Now you can see a roti over here, and this is one whole roti. Here in the second picture, the roti is divided into 2 equal parts. So each part is represented by 1 by 2, or each part is half of the roti. And in this picture, the roti is divided into 3 equal parts, and each part is represented by 1/3. Each part is represented by 1/3. That means there are 3 1/3s in this. There are 3 1/3 in this one whole roti. In the same way, here the roti is divided into 4 equal parts. So each part is represented by 1/4. That means there are 4 1/4 pieces here. There are 4 1/4 pieces here. In this roti is divided into 5 equal parts. So each part is represented by 1/5. And here the roti is divided into 6 equal parts. So each part is represented by 1/6. And in this, the roti is divided into 8 equal parts, and each part is represented by 1/8. In the same way, this roti is divided into 10 equal parts. So each part is represented by 1/10. And in this roti is divided into 12 equal parts, and each part is represented by 1 by 12. Or there are 12 1/12 parts in this roti. Did you all understand children? Is it clear to you all? Children, now we'll be learning how to denote a fraction. So, what is a fraction? A number which is in the form of P by Q. A number which is in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are whole numbers. Where P and Q are whole numbers and Q is not equal to 0. So, a fraction is a number which is in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are whole numbers and Q is not equal to 0. Here, P is called the numerator, which is above the line. See here children, the P is above the line and it is called the numerator, and Q is called denominator, which is below the line. See here, Q is below the line and this is called the denominator. For example, 2 by 3, 1 by 5, 6 by 7, 101 by 100, etc. are all fractions. And but what are 2, 1 and 6 and 101 called? 2, 1, 6 and 101 are called numerators, and 3, 5, 7, 100, they are called denominators. Did you all understand children? So what is a fraction? A number which is in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are whole numbers and Q is not equal to 0. Here we'll be learning the different types of fractions. The first type of fraction, it is called as proper fraction. So what is a proper fraction? Fractions in which the numerator is less than the denominator are called proper fractions. What are proper fractions? Fractions in which the numerator is less than the denominator. For example, we have 3 by 4, 2 by 3, 8 by 10. You can see here 3 is less than 4. That is, the numerator is less than the denominator. Again, 2 by 3. Here also the numerator is less than the denominator. Here 8 by 10. 8 is less than the denominator 10. Understood children? So 3 by 4, 2 by 3, 8 by 10. They are all called proper fractions. The next type of fractions are improper fractions. What are improper fractions? Fractions in which the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator are called improper fractions. What are improper fractions? Fractions in which the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. For example, we have 4 by 4, 4 by 3, 5 by 4. You can see here the numerators are greater than the denominators. Understood children? So 4 by 4, here the numerator is equal to the denominator, so it is an improper fraction. Here it is 4 by 3, so again the numerator is greater than the denominator, so it is an improper fraction. Here 5 by 4, here 5 is greater than 4, so this is also an improper fraction. The next type of fractions are unit fractions. What are unit fractions? Fractions in which the numerator is equal to 1 are called unit fractions. What are unit fractions? Fractions in which the numerator is equal to 1 are called unit fractions. For example, we have 1 by 2 or 1 half, 1/3. There, here you can see the numerator is equal to 1. Again we have 1/4. Again here the numerator is equal to 1. 1/5. Again the numerator is equal to 1. So all these type of fractions are called unit fractions. So even 1 by 100 or 1 by 101, they are also unit fractions because the numerator is equal to 1. Understood children? The next type of fractions are called mixed fractions. What are mixed fractions? Fractions which have both a whole number part and a fractional part are called mixed fractions. What are mixed fractions? Fractions which have both a whole number part and a fractional part. Example, here you see we have 2 1 by 7. Here we have a mixed number, that is 2 1 by 7, where 2 is the whole number part and 1 by 7 is the fractional part. 2 is the whole number part and 1 by 7 is the fractional part. We can see some more examples here. See here 1 3 by 4. 1 3 by 4, where 1 is the whole number part and 3 by 4 is the fractional part. You can see in this diagram this 1. It is divided into 4 equal parts, but these 4 equal parts make one whole, and here out of these 4 parts, 3 parts are shaded. So the shaded part represents 1 3 by 4. So this is an example of a mixed fraction. You can have another example for this. That is, here we have 3 wholes and 1 3/4. So the mixed number is 3 3 by 4. Understood children? Another Example is 1 by 6. Here this one whole is divided into 6 equal parts, and there is one part of out of these 6 equal parts which is shaded. So we have 1 by 6, and because it is having one whole number part and a fractional part, so this is a mixed fraction. Understood, children? Children, we will continue with more types of fractions in the next part. Until then, goodbye and thank you, children.